Hello, lovely people. Today, we're going to be joining Contentful data in your Postgres database with Hasura remote joins. Let's get started. As a quick recap, in the previous video, we learned how to merge the Contentful GraphQL API in our Postgres database using Hasura remote schemas. That said, everything inside your Contentful space can now be queried using the Hasura endpoint, like so. The author data that you see here is currently coming from the person content model inside Contentful. Let's say we have the author data inside a Postgres table instead. Let's call it users, with just the column name for now, of type text of course. Set the primary key is name, add table, and the table is created. Now, where's the blog posts? There they are. Since the blog posts are coming from the blog post content model inside Contentful, and the user data is coming from the Postgres table in Hasura, we need to establish a relationship between this data. Now let's go ahead and add a remote schema relationship. Set the name as blog posts and select the Contentful remote schema. Configure the relationship to fetch blog posts, where select the where clause. The author name is the same as the name inside the users table. This will fetch all the blog posts by author names that match the users' names. Hit save, and your Contentful and Hasura data is now in a fully committed relationship. Let's test it out. Oh wait, the users table is empty though. Let's add a user inside the table. We'll write an insert users mutation and name the user as John Doe. Hit play and cool. Now, let's test out the squeaky new remote join. Select query. Let's select names and the corresponding blog posts with their titles from the Contentful space respectively. Right? All of this in the same query. Hit play and you'll see the blog posts with their titles that have the author name as John Doe. Now let's go ahead and add a new row in our users table. Let's call it Jane Doe this time. Alrighty. Hit play again, and you get the blog post written by Jane Doe from Contentful. Awesome! Now that you know how to use remote schemas and add a remote relationship in Hasura, try it out on Hasura Cloud. Until next time!